ride in the 2020 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, ventilated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.